Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 4 of my Black Friday haul. I decided that this bag deserved its own part in this Black Friday series. So, open up the box and show you. So, this is a brand I haven't featured before on my channel, and it is Rebecca Minkoff. And it's only because I haven't done a bag collection video, because I definitely have a couple of Rebecca Minkoff bags. Okay, so I'm going to take this plastic off. Wow, see it already, and it's gorgeous as I expected. So, comes wrapped up in this tissue paper. We're just going to slide this off. It comes wrapped really, really well. There we go. I'm just going to take some of this off so you can see. Has so much wrapping on it. Okay, and we're back. I finally got all of that wrapping removed. So this bag is called the Love to Crossbody, and this is in the color Equestrian, and the hardware is a brass gold. You can see the light reflecting off of it. So, as you saw earlier, it has a twist lock closure, so you just turn it to lift it up. And it comes with a dust bag on the inside, a Rebecca Minkoff dust bag. So let me shake that out. And it looks like this. And why I got this bag is because it actually reminds me of the Coach Cassie and the Pochette Metis. If you see here, it has the 3 compartments that are expandable. Although it is smaller, so I have my Pochette Metis to compare for you guys. So this is the Pochette Metis, and this is the Love to Crossbody. So, as you can see, the Love to Crossbody is noticeably smaller, but still a good size. So, what I like is that Rebecca Minkoff took the kind of the 3 compartment silhouette, but it's definitely Rebecca Minkoff. You know, you're not getting it confused with anything else. It has a slip pocket at the back, which we all know I'm a huge fan of, and it also has Rebecca Minkoff written in gold there. So, and also it's snake print. Obviously I'm a fan of snake print. In part 3 of the Black Friday haul, I revealed a snake print t-shirt, so make sure you guys check that out. But this bag is just so cute. On the side, it is black leather. Well, it's actually not black. It's just a really dark brown. Now that I'm looking at this, a really dark brown to match the darker brown tones that are in this snake print. And I love this gold chain detail. And I believe, I'm not sure if this is removable. I believe there may be a way. Yeah, I believe this is a removable strap. But yeah, and then it's the back to the leather on the top, you know, so that it's comfortable on your shoulder. So yeah, I'll probably wear this shoulder on my shoulder, mostly just because I use most bags as shoulder bags instead of crossbody bags. But this is super, super cute, and I'm so excited to see everything that fits in it. And if you guys want me to do a what's in my bag, or what fits for this one, and also some mod shots, I can definitely do that. Just leave me a comment down below of what all you want to see. So that concludes part 4 of my Black Friday haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.